Hey everyone, in this video I'll be comparing the iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus and Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. If you're interested in either vacuum, the links will be in the video description, so let's jump right in. First up, the similarities. The Combo J9 Plus and S8 Pro Ultra feature auto-emptying capabilities, ensuring a hands-free cleaning experience. Both models are equipped with advanced mapping technologies, allowing them to create detailed maps of your home for efficient cleaning. Users can even control and customize cleaning preferences through dedicated mobile apps, enabling features such as scheduling, virtual walls, and specific cleaning zones. Both utilize advanced obstacle avoidance systems to recognize and avoid common objects in their cleaning paths. Both models offer mopping features as part of their 2-in-1 capabilities, providing effective cleaning for hard floors. You will notice that both models utilize dual rubber rollers in their cleaning systems. These do great to avoid tangles when picking up things like pet hair. Now for the differences. When encountering carpet, the Combo J9 Plus can raise its mop completely above itself, while the S8 is limited to 5 millimeters. While both have auto empty and water refill bases, the S8 can also clean and dry its own mop pad. The S8 also has a more advanced software suite with its mobile app, offering you the ability to do things and enable features like off-peak charging. In summary, the iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus and Roborock S8 Pro Ultra share common features like auto-empty, advanced mapping, app control, obstacle avoidance, and mopping. The distinctions really come down to the J9 Plus's superior auto lift feature for the mop, while the S8 Pro Ultra offers the ability to clean and dry its own mop pads.